Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. We are uploading sports and outdoor tools related goods regularly. In this video you will find ENGWE upgrade folding electric bicycle for adults 750 watts 48V16R build in lithium large Battey long range 24.0 inches fat tire e-bike all Terrien mountain snow beach city cruiser electric bike engine pro. Technical details: bike type electric bike. Age range, description, adult. Brand ENGWE. Number of speeds 8. Color black. Wheel size 20 inches. Frame material aluminium. Suspension type dual. Special feature fat tire, electric, mountain bike. Included components kickstand, mudguard, charger, bell, tool kit, lock size 68.9 x 22.4 x 48.4. Brake style hydraulic oil brake. Item weight 63.5 pounds. Style Engine Pro 750W48V/16R electric bike. Model year 2022. Item package dimensions LXWXH 56.3 by 27.6 by 11.8 inches. Brand name ENGWE. Material aluminium. Suggested users unisex adult. Number of items 1. Manufacturer Foshan Shunt Space Carden Co., limited size 68.9 x 22.4 x 48.4, grip size 4.5 left grip, 4.8 inches right grip,